Are you ready to explore the great outdoors without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll dive into beginner-friendly hiking gear that's both budget-friendly and reliable. Gone are the days when a hiking starter kit costs thousands. Our research shows you can assemble one for under $300. The Teton Sport Scout 3400 is our top recommendation. It's not the lightest, but its durability and safety features make it perfect for novice hikers. Let's break down the essential components you need. First, we look at backpacks. The Scout 3400 is built to handle various loads. Its dual-stay aluminum frame prevents deformation when packed. This is crucial for maintaining comfort on your hikes. Next, let's discuss sleeping gear. We focused on the CLO value of budget sleeping bags. Our findings reveal synthetic fills retain 60% of their warmth even in humid conditions. This makes them an excellent choice for beginners. The Oskies 3-Season Sleeping Bag is a solid pick here. Now, let's talk cookware. In our tests, hard anodized aluminum proves more efficient than stainless steel. The E-Tech City Portable Camp Stove heats water quickly. It boiled 500 milliliters in under 4 minutes, period. Lastly, we evaluated sleeping pads. The Sleeping Go Large Sleeping Pad boasts a thermal resistance R value of 2.1, making it great for warm weather. However, be cautious of air leakage. A patch kit is always a smart addition. To sum it up, we've analyzed essential hiking gear, showing that safety doesn't have to come at a high price. Our technical data indicates that weight is the primary cost. A full kit weighs a bit more but remains safe and effective. So, if you're gearing up for your first hike, remember that you can enjoy the wilderness with quality gear that's affordable. Check the description for links to all the gear discussed today, and join us as you prepare for your next adventure. Happy hiking!